Hello friends, hello friends, I'm going to show you how to make good colors. You have to get one picture to get reference like this. A good artist just need to go to edit, change canvas size to this. Let's say that you have this drawing. I made this, do this. This is a good way to practice your colors. You make a new layer and you use a skin brush. First you make like this, and I don't recommend you to make this multiply or dark, no, because the colors are not the same. So always keep your layers in normal, so the color is always the same in the same layer. So you just, this is how I color to practice at the lights. The light is very important. The light is coming from here like this, so that means that in here, in this part, there's a lot of lights. You can see in here that this is very saturated. It's a lot of lights. So let's say that your drawing here, in this part you have all the shadows. Get this tone and get this. I'm just doing this like the colors. Always use some kind of reference so you have a better idea of what you're doing. As I always say, never the shadows in the same place. And you can see this tone, the tone must never be black, the colors, okay? Black is not a color, so just do like this. Like this. This is just look like a white. Fast. I'm doing this as fast as possible. Get the tones from here, from these parts. You like this. I'm doing this fast because black doesn't exist. Black, if you get this black, nothing is black. Okay, colors are always, they have like a little gradients like this. Okay, black is never a color, and white is when there's a lot of lights. There's a very good artist with a name Rembrandt, and he's one of the best artists to make colors. He's very good. He died long ago. So just see this. If you put your eyedropper in here, you can see in here in this part that is never black. Never. It's never to here. Okay, just look. It's never black. And white is when there is no color. Your drawings must always be like this. Get good reference. Use the reference to paint this. There's a lot of ways to make things with color. You can see in here that in this part there's light, even though it's black. There's a lot of drawings that have a lot of black. Okay, fast. Let's say that I want to change the color of this drawing. Okay, let's say that I want to change this. This is very saturated. Okay, let's say that I use Ctrl U and I want to change the hue. If this hand will be, let's say, a lot of saturation, let's say like this to the maximum, and I do this, or I have a very dark color in here, very dark. If I try to change the color, just look at this. The variations are almost zero in here because there's a lot of lights. or no lights. If you want to change the colors of your drawings, if you don't like the hair or something like that, the colors must be below 50% in here, okay? So just see like this. Let's say that I make a drawing and I want to change the color, but it will not work. Just look. Let's say this drawing, okay? Look, you can see these colors. These colors are very good, but I don't like that this color is very similar to the skin. Just look, it's almost the same. Just look. I don't like that. So a way to change the hair, this is what I do. I do a new layer. Let's say this is my drawing, and I use this, and I do like that. And then you use the mic wand. You select everything to take out the layer, and you press this, and now you can change the color of the hair. Oh yes. Be aware of the saturation and illumination, because it must be the same. If not, you're going to lose a drawing. The most difficult part in this is to get the colors you want. It's the most difficult thing. Using layers of multiply is that you don't get the color you want. Be careful with that. Let's say that you are drawing this in a new layer, 2 layers, no? So I have this color, and I'm like this. This is your color, okay? And you want this color, but this color is not, you can see in here that it's moving a lot. So if you get this and you use multiply and you get this color, just look at the color you are getting. It's not the same color. There's a problem with multiply or any blending mode. Be careful with this. Try to get the correct color. This doesn't work. This is not the same tone. So don't use multiply to make your shadows. Don't try that. It's not good. No. You have to get the correct color by moving this like this, or by watching better artists than you. And if you get this color, just look. It looks nicer, much nicer, and not like this. This color is not good. Just look. The colors are not the same. I cannot explain you all this. This is a lot of information. The mixing of colors, the theory, all this, you have to study it by yourself, because there's a lot of tutorials in YouTube and in the internet. I don't want to explain you the same thing. Investigate this for yourself. That's the truth. There's millions of colors, millions of combinations, and also the color theory. Color theory is something that I have not mastered. Just watch tutorials, okay? Because I'm more about practice than theory. Of course, there's warm colors and all these. Study them. Sorry, I don't have time to explain you all this. There's a lot of information. I have made very nice drawings just by observation. Like this drawing, I made this drawing just by observation and practice. All this, I made all this. So you can learn all this by practicing. So you kill 2 birds with 1 rock, okay? Just practice a lot, and in the process you will learn all this, and that's it. It's not that hard. You only must watch good reference, good artists, watch tutorials, and learn all this theory in the process, I just want to show you how I started. Just look at my drawings in the start. Just look at this. They are horrible, horrible. Just look at this, okay? If you are starting to draw and you get these results, it's just practice and dedication, okay? Just look at this. I started from below like everyone else, and now I make things like this. So the key to success is to forget about your results, your bad results. Don't compare yourself to other artists. Never do that. Never compare like, oh yeah, never compare yourself like, oh look at this. I want to make this, but my art sucks. Just look at. Don't do that. Never compare yourself with other artists. You must be aware that you are learning and you will never stop learning and you will never stop to improve. So just relax, and when you draw, have a good time. Okay, have a good time, relax, enjoy what are you doing, and the results slowly will get better with over time. That's it. And thank you for watching me. I hope you like my motivation and my fast tutorial, because I have a lot of things to do right now. I'm making this animation, and it takes a lot of time to animate all this. So I have other things to do, but I use this time only for you to get something from me, from my knowledge about color. Right now I'm focusing more in animation because it's something that I have always wanted to do. And arts, I'm okay with arts. Right now I can make very good things, so now I want to make animation because it's one of my passions to animate. And that's it. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.